Oh man, it's early. We woke up a little earlier than it is right now. I think it's like 7 o'clock. We have a big day and planned out some projects. Trying to drink our morning coffee. Gotta get in the morning and cuddles in before starting work. And then we're gonna go check the rabbits. So we're gonna drink our coffee and then... Too many dang dogs out here. You gotta get your morning hugs in. Alright, it was a little colder out here than I thought it'd be. The water froze on top. Not much, but it froze. We had the rabbits here for, I think, 2 days. They ate it down, so we're gonna move them real quick. This right here, I think was 2 days worth. This must have been like a day and a half. They eat it down all the way to the ground. This is where our garden is, and we let it overgrow whenever we quit doing stuff. From what we were told, rabbit poop is golden fertilizer. If you guys think that's true, let us know. So we're gonna check the puppies and see if their eyes are open. Their eyes aren't open yet. Their ears are starting to open. So they're not open yet, but their mouth was. Since we cleaned out the barn the other day and we had the pool liner, I'm trying to figure out what I could use it for. We thought about reusing it as a pool next year, but it's kind of dirty. So I'm gonna fix the pond that isn't holding the water and recycle the pool liner. This is Rufio. He's our vocal one. He loves to talk. Right, Roof? Ooh. This is definitely the farmer's workout. So I'm gonna try to make this at a slant. So we're not quite finished with it, but sun's going down, we don't have much time left, so I'm happy with what we got done today. Killed my back. Hopefully Jaylene will give me a massage later. So you guys should hold her accountable to do that.